what you need to make the slides go at St Bride's on the new big screen, currently sitting above the pulpit. You need the St Bride's TV laptop. You don't actually need the charger because it lasts the whole service. You need the mouse. Make sure the mouse is turned on, which is up. Make sure the dongle is in the USB. You also need a HDMI cable. You can Chromecast to this TV, but I can't figure out how to do it, so I'll show you where to plug in the HDMI cable, which should be there all by itself. Next, make sure the plug behind the pulpit is plugged in and switched on at the wall. Make sure the cable is connected to the TV to give it electricity. Don't trip on these non-OSH compliant steps. Here's the back of the pulpit, here's the back of the TV. The remote lives here, we decided last week. This is the power. This is the power. And it is plugged in here. You shouldn't need to touch that. This is the HDMI cables. We want to be in HDMI 1. As you can see, the cable's already in there. Grab the end of the cable and plug this into the laptop and take the remote with you before you leave the pulpit. Chuck it over the edge. Okay, here we are below the TV, below the pulpit again. Plug the HDMI cable into the laptop. It looks like that. It's not the power, it's not the USB, it's the... So just to recap, not this hole, but this one. This is where you plug in the HDMI cable.
Hole along.
The third hole along. HDMI cable. Open the little laptop. You'll find it actually wakes up all by itself. So it's awake. The password is 1950. Press Control Alt Delete to bring up the login screen. Well, just press Control Alt. Okay, so this is the desktop. We need to open just one thing, which is slides. We just need to open one thing. This is the Microsoft Edge homepage. You just need to click on Google Slides, which I've saved as a favourite. Can you see? It's yellow, it says Google Slides. Click on it once. Now you'll see a whole lot of, you've got to find today's date spelt backwards. Today is the 5th of May, so I'm looking for 2024 0505. 2024 0428, 2024 0421, 2024 0505, Thanksgiving and Praise. Click on that one. Now we just need to turn the TV on. Here's the remote. Just press the red button to turn the TV on. This is the home screen of the smart TV. You need to connect to HDMI input 1 using the remote. Using the remote, choose the source button. It's below the little house picture and it looks like this. Click that, and now we need to select something that you can't actually see. Now you can see all the sources. Now we need to find something that's not actually on the screen. So using the arrow buttons, move to the right several clicks. Now go right several times. HDMI 1, you can see it has a little green dot on it, so press the OK button to choose it. Okay, now you need to restart the laptop. Okay, so we've started everything up. We've chosen HDMI input 1 and nothing happened on the screen. So now we need to restart the laptop. Just close what's open. Right click on this Microsoft symbol here. On shutdown and sign out, choose restart. And then just wait for the laptop to restart. While we've been waiting, the screen has gone into screensaver mode. It's waiting for us. Back to the laptop. Okay, now press Ctrl Alt to bring up the login screen. The password is 1950 1950. This is a St Bride's home screen. As we'd already selected HDMI 1, it's already showing up on the screen in the church. Okay, there's only one thing you need to press, which is to open Microsoft Edge and start slides. Microsoft Edge symbol is this one here. Yes, wow! Okay, now the one thing you've got to press is Google Slides, which I've made as a shortcut. It's yellow and it says Google Slides. Now you need to find today's. It's today's date back. So if it was the 28th of April, it would be 2024-0428, but today it is the 5th of May, so we're looking for 2024-0505. There it is there. 2024-0505 Thanksgiving and Praise, which is the liturgy music today. So just open that one. Press slideshow, and it's going on both the screen and the identical is up here on the screen. As you can see, the mouse has disappeared. To advance the slides, just press the left mouse button. If you let go of it, the mouse picture will disappear. If you need to go back one, hover over the bottom left and you can click on to go back. And that's all you need to know. At the very end, just turn that off. And take the laptop home to charge, plug it into the wall and plug that bit in.